understand podcasts, videos, and native speakers perfectly. But the second you open your mouth to reply, everything collapses. You freeze, you stutter, you search for words. Why can you understand 100% but speak at 0%? Here is the truth. You do not have a vocabulary problem. You have a translation habit. When you listen, your brain receives language. But when you try to speak, your brain pauses, runs back to your native language, translates word for word, checks every grammar rule, and panics. Today, we kill the translation loop. We are going to replace mental translation with automatic speech reflexes. You know this exact moment. You are standing with a group of colleagues or friends during a break. Someone turns to you with a warm smile and asks, "What did you think about the new proposal?" You understood every single word they said, but instantly, your internal engine starts grinding. In your mind, you form an answer in your first language. Then you start translating, looking for the right adjective, double-checking the past tense, worrying about prepositions. 4 seconds of awkward silence pass. Everyone is waiting. The pressure spikes. Your throat tightens. By the time you find the words, someone else starts talking, and the conversation moves on without you. You walk away feeling invisible and frustrated. Stop trying to build complex sentences before you open your mouth. Native speakers do not translate. They use spoken buffers that connect directly to their thoughts. To break the translation loop, you only need 3 automatic reflex phrases. Tool 1, the pressure release. To be completely honest, why it works? It buys your brain 3 seconds of breathing room without an awkward silence. Tool 2, the simple frame. The way I see it is, why it works? It gives you permission to express one simple, direct idea without complicated grammar. Tool 3, the instant repair. In other words, if you get stuck or make a mistake, you don't freeze. You just reset smoothly. Let's step back into that circle together. Imagine everyone is looking at you, waiting for your reply. Do not translate. Do not check your grammar rules. Take a breath, look them in the eye, and fire your first buffer. Say it with me out loud right now. To be completely honest, feel the difference? The pressure drops immediately because you broke the silence. Everyone is listening patiently. Now, do not build a long sentence. Deliver your direct thought using your second tool. Say it out loud. The way I see it is, we need more time. Imagine you said the wrong word. Do not freeze or apologize. Use your repair tool to clarify. In other words, next week is better. Look at that. You didn't translate a single word. You used pure physical reflexes. Now, let us practice these 3 phrases on the 2-speed ladder so your mouth remembers them automatically. First phrase, step 1, slow and clear. To be completely honest. Step 2, smooth and natural. To be completely honest. Second phrase, step 1, slow and clear. The way I see it is. Step 2, smooth and natural. The way I see it is. Third phrase, step 1, slow and clear. In other words. You already know enough English. The problem was never your knowledge. It was the habit of translating. When you stop translating in your head and start trusting short, automatic phrases, your speaking confidence transforms. Replay this video tomorrow and practice the 2-speed drill until your mouth says these phrases without thinking. Let's test your speaking commitment in the comments right now. Type the word automatic below if you are ready to stop translating and start speaking. I will see you in our next practice session.